Let's take another look at another implicit differentiation, number 14. And we got sine of xy minus 4x is equal to y. And we want to take derivative of everything where it's sitting. So take derivative with respect to x of sine xy. The derivative with respect to x of negative 4x. And the derivative with respect to x of y. Okay, well the derivative of sine is cosine. So this just gives us cosine xy times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. Again, anytime you have more than a single x in here, it's a chain rule. You have to, first the derivative of sine is cosine, that doesn't change, but then you have to multiply it times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. Derivative of negative 4x is negative 4. The derivative of y is 1, but we have to add on a y prime, because we're taking derivative with respect to x, and this is a different variable. So we take derivative just like normal, but then we have to add on a y prime. Okay, this is going to be the product rule. This will be P and this will be Q. So P prime, the derivative of x is 1. Q prime, the derivative of y is 1, but then we have to add on a y prime, because again we're taking derivative with respect to x and it's really y. And our formula is P prime Q plus P Q prime. So we're going to have cosine xy times P prime, which is 1, times Q, which is y, plus P, which is x, times Q prime, which is y prime. Minus 4 equals y prime. Let me double check that. Y plus, yep. Okay. So we have cosine xy times y plus x y prime minus 4 is equal to y prime. Now we want to solve for y prime, and we've got to get rid of parentheses if we can. So I'm going to take this cosine xy here times y and times x y prime. So we'll get y cosine xy plus x y prime cosine xy minus 4 is equal to y prime. Now we want to get everything with y prime on one side. So I'm going to take this x y prime cosine xy to the right side. And we get y cosine xy minus 4 is equal to y prime minus x y prime cosine xy. Now we're solving for y prime. So over on the right side, we want to now factor out a y prime. And that leaves us 1 minus x cosine xy. Trying to get y prime by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by what's behind our y prime. So we'll divide both sides by 1 minus x cosine xy. Minus 4 up there. There we go. 1 minus x cosine xy over 1 minus x cosine xy. When we do that, this 1 minus x cosine xy cancels with that. And we got y prime is equal to y cosine xy minus 4 over 1 minus x cosine xy. And that's our answer.